us all to succeed. And that's why so many students at New Roots do succeed, because they have the space to and the environment that allows them to.
When teachers display the learning targets before and during class and make it clear our goals, it makes me be able to set like a standard for what I want to be learning and what I think I can learn just based off of myself.
The Student of Color Unity elective at New Roots is something that I think should be everywhere. The elective teaches our Black youth to embrace their Blackness and empower themselves. We value learning about our history and creating an empowered community of blossoming Black youth who look out for each other.
One thing that's really helpful is having project-based learning instead of strictly relying on tests for grades, and also engaging activities rather than just computer or paperwork.
Right.
Because a lot of the time people are like just working on your computer or doing paper and the teacher's like telling you what to do rather than actually doing activities that help you learn and experience things.
We can try, you know what I mean? Failure isn't met with punishment. If I get a 50 on a test, I can retake it. I can talk to my teacher, go through the lesson again, figure out what I wasn't understanding, and then understand it. It's not just, I have this bad grade, we have to move forward. It's too bad.
We want kids to feel like they're actually getting their hands dirty and involved in cleaning and remediating some of the human impact. So in our classrooms, they're learning about phosphorus and nitrates. They're doing it in chemistry, they're doing it in their biology classes. They're engaged in information that then becomes real when they're out here actually in the summertime. So basically our science classes, our math classes, English, they're always working on water quality, different things that can help the environment. So our school's really focused on that and mission driven around that particular component. So this is, for us, is more or less the real classroom.
The actual anatomy of plants, it's one thing to learn it in biology and learn it in science class, it's a whole other thing to actually do it hands-on.
I have heard so many stories at our school of how unmotivated certain students were at their old schools where they weren't doing much, and then they came to a school where they got to do hands-on projects and got to go outside, and it really did change things.